called as the Christmas is called as the festival of love. He came to give love. The love Jesus Christ shared is not like love of the world. You might have seen in our Telugu movies, Hindi movies, and other languages movies. And maybe you have some apprehension, wrong notion of what true love is, real love is. Real love, true love is not running around trees. Okay? Not running around trees and singing love songs. Okay? Are you able to understand what I'm saying? What is true love then? True love is sacrifice. When we sacrifice, when somebody sacrifices himself for others, then that is what is true love is. If a boy is loving a girl or a girl is loving a boy, then it is not true love at all. You must understand, you are grown up children. That's why I'm saying to you, that is not love. That is not real love, that is worldly love. Love is sacrifice. And Jesus Christ has come to give his life, sacrifice his life. What does the parents do today? They sacrifice everything that they have for you people. మన మమ్మీ డాడీ ఏం చేస్తారు? వాళ్ళకు ఉన్న అంతా కూడా వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఎంజాయ్ చేసుకోకుండా మన కోసం మీ కోసం అన్ని సాక్రిఫైస్ చేసుకుంటారు. They want you to be good. They want you to enjoy your life. For example, I am a person who likes to wear clothes, lot of clothes. Maybe I would like to go to different places. But I have 2 children. I have to think about them. I cannot think about myself, about my clothes, about my enjoyment. That is not a true love. True love is sacrificing everything for your loved ones. Same thing. That is what is true love is. So what is love? What kind of love did Jesus Christ show? When we read the Bible, just now K. Sharanya of 10th A has read the Bible lesson. That was from 1 Corinthians 13th chapter. The whole chapter is about love. If anybody wants to know about love, you please read it. That is what is true love is. What is love? Love is patience. Love is kindness. Love is being gentle. You be gentle to people. Talk in a loving manner to them. Okay? Love is forgiving. Please forgive people. మన పక్కన ఎంత మనకి ఎంత బాధ పెట్టినా కానీ ఎంత కష్టపెట్టినా కానీ మనము మీ అంత forgive. That is what is true love. Okay? Then love is having peace with each other. Be peaceful with others. Peaceful with each other. Don't fight. We should not fight with people. Okay? There may be many reasons. We may be angry with people, but we shouldn't fight with people. We have to be at peace with them. Then, helping one another. We need to help one another. You might have seen that thing. What did Jesus do? Okay? Then love is also caring for each other. Love is also having compassion. That's what Jesus had. He touched the blind. The blind got their eyesight back. He touched the lame person. The lame person could stand up and walk. Then he touched the dumb people. The dumb people were able to talk. Okay? He forgave a woman with a bad character. Everybody wanted to stone that woman. Manchiralu, Raladam, Chappedi ani Lokamanta annadu. But what did Jesus say? మీరు ఎవ్వరు తప్పు చేయలేదా? ఇంత మటుకు ఒక్క తప్పు కూడా మీరు చేయలేదా? Did you not sin? He said like that. And he forgave that lady. So చాలా మంది పిల్లలకు హోప్ అనేది ఉండదు. హోప్ అంటే పాజిటివిటీ, పాజిటివ్ థింకింగ్. దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ హోప్, దే ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ నెగటివ్ ఫీలింగ్స్. ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ ఇస్ లవ్? Love is hope. Love is spreading happiness. We need to spread happiness. Okay, we should not fight with each other. We should not abuse each other. Okay, we should not hate each other. We should not have jealousy about others. We should spread. We have to be happy and spread happiness. Then we have to live in harmony. See, what kind of a country is our country? We have unity. Unity in diversity. We are all united. Though we have diverse cultures, though we have diverse traditions, though we speak diverse languages, but still we are living in harmony. That is what is love is. We should respect each other. You give respect and then take respect. That is what is love is. So on this day, we celebrate values that are common to all religions. Every sacred book, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Bible, Quran, every book, preaches about these vices: humanity, respect, harmony, and peace. When we love and help others, we make our home and society a better place. When we make a better place, then we love each other. When we love each other, when we respect each other, when we have harmony, then our food also and the community outside also will become a better place. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the sermon, and I think all the students to give us again the music of silence, not minutes. Music of silence. Okay, thank you. How next I would like to call upon the team for 8 to 6 to come in and please come on the stage. Now you can